दावोस में मुनक़िदा वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम के इजलास में न्यूज़ 18 की मिशन पानी मुहिम ने पानी और साफ सुथराई के तहफ़्फ़ुज़ पर प्रस्तावना पेश कर एक नई लकीर खींची है। इस मुहिम की ग्लोबल लीडर्स ने सराहना की है। आइए सुनते हैं उन्होंने क्या कहा।
Infosys has a long history of being an extremely sustainability focused company. We've taken all that and become carbon neutral a few years ago in 2020. And now we've built a completely new agenda, building upon all the work done in the past by the founders and by all of the people to build the 2030 ESG agenda. I wanted to especially commend Network 18 and all of the people involved in this. This initiative on the sanitation preamble is incredible to see. And it's also good to see because it's something that you're contributing to the broader well-being. I'm sure each of you as employees of Network 18 have also contributed to this. So a big commendation from my side.